windows down. More than 2 years.
It's a nice place.
Mahogany walls and ceiling, and it's adorned by Adam Tihani for an unveiling ceremony. We have here 442 by small groups of 10 up to atmosphere, so you can really experience the
started breaking from what 100 to a little bit less. I think.
And then there's no good luck.